going on, guys? Excuse the beard, everything is just a little bit cold here now. Don't have a lot of time on my hands. So, we're continuing with this customer project. For now I have done the tube front end, I have done the rear, I have done the rear mount radiator. I'm going to be uploading some videos for it here because I didn't film while I was doing it. Anyways, right now we're continuing with installing the short shifter because not tomorrow but the day after tomorrow we're going to be putting the Wisefab hydro handbrake, and we need to have a clear view of what space we're working with. We're going to be installing the IRP V3 handbrake with the lockouts and self-centering. It's a pretty cool piece of equipment. So now I have raised the car. I'm gonna need to go under it to take off the old shifter and old mechanism and everything, and then we're going to drill the holes and get this mounted. In terms of the car itself, I started fixing some welds because I just wasn't happy. This is the roll cage is going to be the only thing that I haven't personally done on the car. Here is the rear mount radiator with the Davis Craig EWP 150. I TIG welded all the tube joints here to have a nice clean system. Okay, so that took some beating, but anyways, that's how the assembly looks. You have to pull this clip like this so you can pull the pin. It just clips onto the gearbox. This end has this stupid pin. We're gonna have to reuse this. I don't really want to use this one. I think there might be something better into the new shifter hardware, so let's check this out. So that's everything that comes with the shifter. We have 4 bolts. Those bolts are to mount it to the chassis. They come with 8 washers. So the small washer is on top of the shifter. The big washer is under the body. That's just to have more surface, because it's just gonna rip right through it. And we have 2 of those small bolts. They are going to be for the optional 5th, 6th gear or reverse gear lockout. That's just to be sure that you're not gonna, for example, go for 3rd or 4th and just go into 5th or 6th and lose your race. So yeah, I'm now gonna mark it up, drill the body of the car, and we're gonna get it mounted. I'm gonna aim to mount it right in the center, as much centered as possible. That way we're going to have the optimal adjustments available. So it's going to go, just check it, something like this. Okay. I have my marker here. That doesn't look really like the best option. That is going to leave not a lot of room to mount the hydro, but I'm going to be probably welding it right on the edge here. So now we aim for the center of the circles. Let's reinforce that real quick and we're gonna continue after that. Okay, as I said, small washer on the top, big washer and nut on the bottom. Okay, so now we have to tighten everything up. Those at the back are a bit uncomfortable, but we get them tight anyways. We have to. Okay. Now I just have to take a piece of sanding paper, clean up the pin on the shifter rod. Okay, we're going to leave it as it is. I have to go and do some other things. So for both, it has first, second, third, fourth. It's pretty fucking sick. I now want I now want one in my car as well. It has the lockout here on the top. And yeah. So guys, we're leaving this video here. Next video will be with installing the hydro handbrake. It's a Wisefab hydro, which is pretty fucking sick, if you ask me. I have the mounting plates here, made them on a laser, and it's gonna go something like this. Yeah, I'm filming like I haven't filmed before. It made it extra long just to have the adjustability, but what I'm thinking is to just like something like this, so it's gonna barely stick out, and hydro and the shifter will be very close to each other. Of course, not close enough to disrupt anything, but just the right place. I haven't put the clip here. I want to take it off, take the shifter rod, clean it up really nice, because it's all crusty and shit, and just to make it look better. And yeah, in general we have a lot of work to do on the car, but it's gonna come to us. It's gonna happen very nice. It's gonna become a very clean build. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching if you reached here, and join us in the next install video with the hydro handbrake.